crafty friends, welcome back to What's New Wednesday. I'm really excited because today is July 1st, which is going to launch our Christmas in July. My favorite time of year is Christmas, so Debbie and I have been working on coming up with a bunch of fun projects for you to work on. But first, I wanted to tell you about this new thing we got from Hunkydory. It's just a note. It's pretty different than any of the things I've seen them do for a while. You get 4 different topper sets and you get 2 of each, so 8 in total, but let's take a look at those. It comes with Life is a Story, which has the books and the reading and the glasses. And then we have this. And this is our foiling one, which has the gold foiling around the book, which I think is really cool. And then we have Relax, Read, and Repeat. So it's all about books and writing, and I love this stack of books. It's beautiful. And this is the other adorable squirrel that comes with it. We have a new chapter, has many happy returns, time to take it easy, and a couple of other ones. I always like when they give you lots of little sayings and stuff just to kind of add that fun little extra touch to your card. This is the foiled. It has really thin, like smooth, tiny, I don't know what word to use, but foiling. So it's a little bit harder to see, but I actually like the way that they foiled these. Because they catch the light really well, but it's not as blocky and obvious as it sometimes gets. This is just my type. Has the typewriter and the letters. Cappuccino. I have no idea. Is that a cappuccino?
It looks like one. Or a mocha.
Okay. Fun coffee. And then we have this fun little thin foiling again around your typewriter. And these come in both the full luxury topper kits where you get 2 of each, and then we also went ahead and broke some of them into half kits so that you could go ahead and just get the 1 of each, which I think is a great addition. And we do have inserts for them, so, but a very fun new collection. So, one of the things that we want to do to launch our Christmas in July is we made some more of these peel card sets that you guys have been really enjoying, where we do the buy the first one and get the second one for $10 off. So I wanted to show you guys these. This is Winter Wonderland. It's by Find It Trading. It's actually a book, so it comes with 24 3D images, and then you also get 8 matching paper sets. So we'll go ahead and flip through these. I love the deer, and look at this border that comes with it too. The border is not punched out, but I think it's a fun addition. The polar bears. And the penguins. Oh, and I love these birds. Then we have owls. Those are cute. I like them. And the bird houses. And then these are the matching papers. That's really cute. Book is so new it doesn't want to open very much. And oh, there's more. They just keep coming. That's really cute too.
Snowflakes.
I love that one. So in addition to these books, it's going to come with the 3mm foam squares. You'll get this sparkly, it comes with Merry Christmas and some season's greetings. We have borders and corners in the silver. And then we also have these tags, which are Happy Christmas. A couple of them say Merry Christmas. but a fun addition. And then it comes with 12 cards and envelopes that we did in the white because it's Christmas and people like white cards with Christmas. So for the second set, this one is called Winter. It's also one of the books. So we'll flip through this. Huh. Oh, it's set up differently. That's kind of fun. Oh, I like the houses. Look at the windmill. That's fun.
Oh, cardinals.
Cardinals are beautiful.
How many images are in the books, Brittany?
24.
24 images, so even though we're giving them the stuff for 12 cards, they'll be able to make 12 more.
I love these snowmen. Ooh, snowmen are my favorite. My whole house at Christmas is snowmen. The rest of the year, it's all white walls, but for Christmas, it's beautiful. Some fun sports. Snow sports, even.
Lots of skiing.
Yeah.
I love the fact that they include the background papers. No searching around for something to use with them. They're already there.
Lots of ideas.
Yeah, they do have the idea books also. So this set we're scenting with the gold. So it has basically the same things, but in the gold. So you get the sentiments page. And then we have our borders and corners. Whoops, that wasn't the corners. This is the corners. Which are bells. We have the Merry Christmas and Season Greeting stickers. We have our 3mm foam squares. And then we also have 12 cards and envelopes in these. So one of the kits is, the first kit comes with the, so it's a 4.5 by 6.25.
Oh, good. Okay.
So this week for Britt's Bargains, I'm really excited because I need to make room for all the new Craftaganza stuff coming in, and we shall have quite a few of these cute 2018, which is the Magic of Christmas luxury topper kits left. So Debbie has given us permission to do both the topper collection and the inserts for $15, and I'm so excited for you guys because not only is that a great deal, but we already have a video and some card samples, so we're gonna go ahead and show you some of those. But it's a super cute set. It has reindeer. We have examples of shaker cards. Ooh. I love little polar bears. Ah, they're sticking together.
Shaker card.
Little doggies. Snowmen! But it's a really fun kit.
When they send out in the newsletter, guys, I'll link you to some of the extra products that we used in these, like the die sets and things that we used in this 2016 set. 2018. Lost my mind for a minute.
School choir.
I believe it's a little kid's manger scene. Yeah.
Kissing snowman.
Ugh, my favorite. They're always my favorite though. Specifically the red snowman with the red scarf like this thing. Why, I don't know. Another Shaker card. The penguins. Well, there's lots. I'm gonna stop, just pick out a couple more of the cute.
That entire basket is the magic of Christmas, right?
Yes.
Because this is a luxury topper set, so it has 10 different
This is cute.
different sets.
Just because. It's a snowman. And then it also comes with an angel. But like Debbie said, not only is it all of these cards that I just showed you, but it's all of these that are left in the basket. So makes quite a few cards. Like I said, it is the 2018 version of the Cute Christmas, which was called the Magic of Christmas. So make sure you guys click on that link and we will see you next Wednesday.